Hello friends, congratulating our and welcoming our first year surgical residents and orthopedic residents. I would just want to share certain experiences that I feel would make you benefit the most from your 3 years in residency. It's a very nice feeling to have been selected to do this program of Masters in Surgery and Masters in Orthopedics or Diplomate or Diploma, wherever you got selected. However, just after the excitement is over, the biggest question you have to ask and you have to remind yourself every day is why I have taken this field. Often what we realize is by the first 6 months, we were all very excited to learn everything that we were getting posted to. As a general surgical resident myself, I did my MS in general surgery from IMS BHU. We were exposed to all the surgical subspecialties 3 months in each. We had neurosurgery, we had cardiothoracic surgery, we had pediatric surgery, we had plastic surgery, we had urology. Lot of exciting new things to learn. However, the biggest thing I would want to convey is don't be prefixed. Don't get into MS general surgery thinking I have come here as a gateway towards a super specialty. I knew very well I wanted to take plastic surgery. I had made up this decision during my internship. However, the biggest benefit I have today is what I learned from the gastro. Because when we have to harvest flaps, we have to have an utmost knowledge of all the parts of the body from head to foot. And thanks to my general surgical residency in a very nice college where I was exposed to all the subspecialties, that we now don't shy away from doing procedures starting in scalp to the toe. And had I been very much keen that I have to do only plastics so I can not be that sincere in other postings and I can learn the basic principles and devote more to preparing for my MCH in plastic surgery, I would have missed out. A doctor is wholesome when they understand the whole body. These are the most beautiful years of your life. Utilize it because here you're being served on a platter. You have every right to question. You have all the varieties to examine. You have all the guides in the form of all the senior colleagues and your own junior colleagues to guide you as to how to go about diagnosing. What are the investigations you must see? How to see those investigations? How to preemptively make in your mind what is to be done? And comes the final part, how to execute this. What happens is most residents are interested how to execute. So everybody will be keenly watching a surgical procedure. Make it a habit to keenly observe how your professor is diagnosing. What makes your professor decide this is what I'm going to do in this particular patient. And that will take you a way ahead in terms of your practical life when you come out. Because how to do we can learn from videos. What to do is something that comes from experience. The more you see your teachers, the more you are with them all the time, the more you observe your seniors, make every minute useful. Even in the evening, don't miss your clinics. Follow one of your seniors wherever they are going. Be with the patients, follow them till they get discharged, follow them when they come back. You will make great of your life as a surgeon. Thank you.